Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to delete Mac apps. Many users simply drag an app to the trash, but this often leaves behind residual files that can clutter your system. We'll cover the standard methods, ensuring you free up valuable storage space and maintain your Mac's performance. Let's dive into the different approaches for a thorough cleanup. The most common way to delete an app is by dragging it to the trash. Open your Applications folder, find the app you want to remove, and simply drag its icon to the trash can in your dock. Remember to empty the trash afterward to finalize the deletion. This method works well for many self-contained applications. Even after dragging an app to the trash, many applications leave behind support files, caches, and preferences. To truly clean your system, you'll need to manually locate and delete these residual items. Check folders like Application Support, Caches, and Preferences within your library folder. Removing these ensures a complete and tidy uninstallation. For more complex applications, or if you prefer an automated approach, consider using a third-party uninstaller tool. These utilities are designed to scan your system, identify all components of an application, and remove them completely. Additionally, some applications come with their own dedicated uninstallation programs, which are always the best option for those specific apps.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.